This video includes multiple choice questions on database backup and recovery in a database management system, DBMS. It includes a collection of multiple choice questions on different database recovery techniques used in DBMS, failure recovery and media recovery, and the parts of any backup system for database backup and recovery. Let's start with the questions. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a recovery technique? A. Deferred update. B. Immediate update. C. Two-phase commit. D. Recovery management. The correct answer is C. Two-phase commit. Question number 2. Checkpoints are a part of A. Recovery measures. B. Security measures. C. Concurrency measures. D. Authorization measures. The correct answer is A. Recovery measures. Question number 3. Deals with soft errors, such as power failures. A. System recovery. B. Media recovery. C. Database recovery. D. Failure recovery. The correct answer is D. Failure recovery. Question number 4. Is an essential part of any backup system. A. Filter. B. Recovery. C. Security. D. Scalability. The correct answer is C. Security. Question number 5. Media recovery deals with A. Disk errors. B. Hard errors. C. System errors. D. Power failures. The correct answer is A. Disk errors. Question number 6. For a backup, restore system is a prerequisite for service in an enterprise. A. Filter. B. Recovery. C. Security. D. Scalability. The correct answer is D. Scalability. Question number 7. Failure recovery and media recovery fall under A. Transaction recovery. B. Database recovery. C. System recovery. D. Value recovery. The correct answer is C. System recovery. Question number 8. Consists of the various applications and databases that play a role in a backup and recovery strategy. A. Recovery Manager environment. B. Recovery Manager suite. C. Recovery Manager file. D. Recovery Manager database. The correct answer is A. Recovery Manager environment. Question number 9. In which the database can be restored up to the last consistent state after the system failure? A. Backup. B. Recovery. C. Both. D. None. The correct answer is B. Recovery. Question number 10. A. Is a block of Recovery Manager, RMAN, job commands stored in the recovery catalog. A. Recovery procedure. B. Recovery block. C. Stored block. D. Stored script. The correct answer is D. Stored script. Question number 11. In log-based recovery, the log is the sequence of A. Filter. B. Records. C. Blocks. D. Numbers. The correct answer is B. Records. Question number 12. The enrolling of a database in a recovery catalog is called A. Setup. B. Registration. C. Startup. D. Enrollment. The correct answer is B. Registration. Question number 13. Is an alternative to log-based recovery. A. Disk recovery. B. Shadow paging. C. Disk shadowing. D. Crash recovery. The correct answer is B. Shadow paging. Question number 14. Most backup and recovery commands in are executed by server sessions. A. Backup Manager. B. Recovery Manager. C. Backup and Recovery Manager. D. Database Manager. The correct answer is B. Recovery Manager. Question number 15. Systems typically allow the replacement of failed disks without stopping access to the system. A. RAM. B. RMAN. C. RAD. D. RAID. The correct answer is D. RAID. Question number 16. In is an exact copy of a single data file, archived redo log, or control file. A. Image copy. B. Data file copy. C. Copy. Log. D. Control copy. The correct answer is A. Image copy. Question number 17. Known as Memory Style Error Correcting Code, ECC organization, employs parity bits. A. RAID Level 1. B. RAID Level 2. C. RAID Level 3. D. RAID Level 4. The correct answer is B. RAID Level 2. Question number 18. The remote backup site is sometimes called the site. A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Ternary. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Secondary. Question number 19. Express command is used. A. To take backup of the Oracle database. B. To import data from the exported dump file. C. To create rollback segments. D. To create a schedule. The correct answer is A. To take backup of the Oracle database. Question number 20. The simplest approach to introducing redundancy is to duplicate every disk is called A. Mirroring. B. Imaging. C. Copying. D. All of the above. The correct answer is A. Mirroring. Thank you for watching.